The Bible quotes shown are from the New American Standard Bible, also called the NASB. Let's look at these Bible verses. While listening, compare them and ask yourself, are these verses talking about the same event? Then I saw an angel standing in the sun, and he cried out with a loud voice, saying to all the birds that fly in mid-heaven, "Come, assemble for the great feast of God, so that you may eat the flesh of kings and the flesh of commanders, the flesh of mighty men, the flesh of horses and of those who sit on them, and the flesh of all people, both free and slaves, and small and great. Now as for you, Son of Man, this is what the Lord God says. Say to every kind of bird and to every animal of the field, assemble and come, gather from every direction to my sacrifice, which I am going to sacrifice for you as a great sacrifice on the mountains of Israel. And you will eat flesh and drink blood. You will eat the flesh of warriors and drink the blood of the leaders of the earth, as though they were rams, lambs, goats, and bulls, all of them fattened livestock of Bashan. So you will eat fat until you are full, and drink blood until you are drunk, from my sacrifice which I have sacrificed for you. You will eat your fill at my table with horses and charioteers, with warriors and all the men of war, declares the Lord God. You will fall on the mountains of Israel, you and all your troops, and the peoples who are with you. I will give you as food to every kind of predatory bird and animal of the field. There's one more verse. Mine heritage is unto me as a speckled bird, the birds round about are against her. Come ye, assemble all the beasts of the field, come to devour. So, are all these verses speaking about the same event? They all have certain things in common. The Lord God and or his angel is calling birds and animals of the field to eat the flesh of horses, men, and warriors. This may surprise you, but these verses are in 3 different books of the Bible. In Jeremiah, Ezekiel, and Revelation. This is a key to Bible prophecy, which I will refer to in other videos. This event is taking place in Megiddo, which we normally refer to as Armageddon.
You were the Word at the beginning, one with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you, our Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. You sing. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name. Nothing compares.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then you also may like two of my other videos, Secrets of Reality and Intelligent Design. Check them out. And hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on future content.